Hi guys! Here it is, puzzle and colors. Mix paints, create hundreds of different colors, and explore the limits of your imagination. We need 7 colors of paint, a brush, and a wooden puzzle. Enjoy our harmless and certified paints on your hands. We are making it together. Have fun with the kids, and you'll have unforgettable memories for years to come. You will have them with 6 different models beautiful from each other. Remember the memory of Kobe. Color your flag and recall your childhood memories. Puzzles and colors.